How much Kaspa do you need in order to become a millionaire in the upcoming bull market rally? Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we're going to be talking about Kaspa once again. I'm going to be telling you how much I think you guys should be holding Kaspa if you guys want to become a millionaire with the project. Now before I move further into the video, I just want to let you all know that these are personally my personal price predictions. I'm not telling you that this is how high Kaspa is going to be going. I'm just telling you what I personally believe in. It's up to you and it's your choice if you guys want to believe my price predictions or not. But this is what I have after doing all my due diligence come up with, and I hope you guys take it some sort of seriously, and I believe this is going to be a really interesting video to watch out for. Right now, if we check out the Kaspa project, you can see the price is hovering around 16 cents. The market is roughly at about $4 billion. As far the volume is concerned, we are in the last 24 hours, the volume is up by nearly 50.5%. We are ranked 74th on the volume index. Now guys, if we compare the price of Kaspa year to date, you can see the project has already given us returns of about 380%. Which is, to be honest, really good compared to some of the other big projects out there. Now some of the other big projects which I'm talking about are going to be Solana, which if you can compare, you will be able to see that Solana, even though has been giving us massive returns, but it is because of this trend line towards the downside, which it saw because of the last pullback which we saw for Solana happening. However, if we compare it with Ethereum, you can see that Kaspa has nearly outperformed Ethereum by almost about 7 times or so, something like that. Yes, 7 times, which just shows you the true power of Kaspa. As you can see, the chart has been trending towards the upside, but if we check out the chart for Ethereum, you can see the price goes towards the upside, then towards the downside, then towards the upside, and then again towards the downside. While on the other hand, for Kaspa, you can see the price goes towards the upside, but then after we hit a minor pullback, we see a new recent all-time high forming for Kaspa. Similar movement happened right over here as well, and right now we are gearing up for a similar move as well if we check out some of the charts for Kaspa as well. Now if we compare it with Bitcoin has been doing better as compared to Ethereum. However, Bitcoin is still failing in comparison of the altcoin like Kaspa. As you can see, altcoin Kaspa has practically 3 times or about 2 times outperform Bitcoin, which is a huge amount of return wherever you guys might live in. Now as far as the main price targets are concerned, I want to tell you that right now, if you guys grab onto your Kaspa spots, I personally believe that the Kaspa's price, in order to get you guys to a millionaire, is going to be a lot, because the project has already started its bull rally. I mean, if you check out in the last like 90 days or so, you can see the project is up by nearly 10%, but if we check out in the last 365 days, you can see the project is up by nearly 380%. So a lot of people have lost their opportunity to become millionaires with Kaspa just because they were not at all early. Because I remember I was making videos on the project when the price or the project was somewhere around here, and even here. This was the first time which I started mentioning Kaspa, and if you bought in right over at these price points, you're gonna be really wealthy even right now, and you should not be caring about becoming a millionaire because you are very close to becoming it already. Now as far as the price targets are concerned, there are still new people getting involved into the Kaspa ecosystem, and that's why I believe this video is going to be really important for all of those watching. Now this is a fun video. This is not a serious video about how much money you exactly need, but this is just a fun price prediction video which I believe every single person wants to hear of. I mean, who does not want to know how much money you guys should be investing if you guys want to become a millionaire in the future? That sounds like a really good video idea, and that's why I decided to make it up as well. Now I believe at the bare minimum, Kaspa should be reaching approximately $50 billion in terms of market cap, and that is just about an 11x from the current price points. Just to get into perspective, I believe you're gonna be needing approximately $90,000. Yes, $90,000 invested into Kaspa in order to get an 11x on your money, which is going to be making you a millionaire. Now guys, as far as my second price prediction goes, I'm going to be telling you in complete honesty, I believe that the price of Kaspa can reach about a 100 billion dollars in terms of market cap. Now if this situation was to happen, you guys are only going to be needing approximately, wait, let me just calculate it right over here. I believe you're going to be needing approximately $40,000 invested into the Kaspa project at the current price levels. Now I'm going to be completely honest with you guys, I believe 99% of the people watching this video out there don't really have $40,000 or even $10,000 in their spare wallets to invest into Kaspa. Now I'm not talking about those people who have already invested into the project and are up significantly on their investments, but I'm talking about the people who haven't really invested at all. Because let's say you had invested 1 year ago into Kaspa, then you are practically up by almost about 380%. So basically the amount of money which you guys would have needed previously was somewhere around, let's say, about $10,000, if I'm not wrong. $10 to $12,000 were all you needed in order for your investments to be worth about $40,000 right now. Now this time is not too before, so you cannot say that I'm talking about like decades in the past. I'm only talking about 1 year in the past. However guys, right now things can quite frankly really change in a matter of an instant, and right now we are at a really good position because right now Kaspa has developed it enough that we cannot really say it's a scam project. It's not a rug pull. We knew it from the starting, but those people who did not believe in it previously are now personally believing in it, and that's a good situation to have. But I still believe that if you guys want to become a millionaire with Kaspa, I do have another price prediction in mind. But before that, I want to tell you about my personal private trading group, which is called as Crypto Cartel. Crypto Cartel is my personal trading community where I teach you guys when you should be buying and selling into projects. Here are some of the results from some of our previous trades. We got profit of 331%, profits of 517%, profits of 263%, and the list goes on and on. Now if you guys want to achieve similar results for yourself, make sure you guys sign up as soon as possible. The link to the Crypto Cartel will be down in the description. It's only about $30 every single month, and I believe this is going to be a really good investment in yourself. Anyways, so the third and the final price prediction which I have for Kaspa, which is on the optimistic side, to be completely honest. I'm not saying this is achievable, but first of all I want to see the market cap for the various other projects out there. So right now we see Bitcoin at 1.15 trillion, we see Ethereum at almost 300 billion. Now I personally think that if Kaspa goes on to building the trajectory it is right now, I do expect Kaspa to reach at least 50% of this $300 billion in value. Well guys, if that scenario was to happen, then that would take the market cap for Kaspa to about $150 billion. And if this was to happen, you would only be needing approximately, I believe, $30,000 worth of Kaspa right now in order to become a millionaire in the future. So you know, the price predictions can go really crazy. A lot of people are saying that Kaspa is going to be reaching $7, or Kaspa is going to be reaching $10, or Kaspa is even going to be reaching $100. However guys, I personally don't really believe that Kaspa is going to be reaching $100, $50, or even $10 in the upcoming bull market rally. I have personally said it beforehand as well. I do expect Kaspa to reach anywhere between $2 to $5 in the upcoming bull market rally. Now those are personally my price targets. Your price targets might be somewhat different, so make sure you guys comment them down below because I will be really interested on hearing about them. But these are personally my price targets, and I feel comfortable enough to tell you that this is something which is possible. And I'm going to be start taking profits once the project reaches $2 in terms of price. I'm going to be DCAing out of the project just like I'm DCAing right into the project. That way I can take my profit at the higher levels, and that way I can even take profits at the lower levels. I know this is not something which a lot of people like to say, but if you guys always plan to take your profits at the top, there's a 99% chance that you're going to be losing all of your money because no one in the market has ever been able to time the markets correctly. So make sure you guys do your own diligence, make sure you guys are doing your own research. I hope you keep your money safe, and I hope you make it into a million very really soon. As always, I'll catch you all tomorrow with another video. Hope you all have an amazing day ahead. Peace out.